Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I just thought I would do a quick hair tutorial on how I do my beachy curls. So I get a lot of questions on how I do my hair, and it's all pretty simple. I washed my hair today, so I just blow dried it. I try to let it air dry as much as I can, but I don't even like what my hair looks like when it's just completely air dried. So I always blow dry it at some point, and especially to get the volume that I get. But for the most part, so I wash my hair, I use Bedhead, the Dumb Blonde shampoo and conditioner, and then I spray this Biolage all-in-one coconut infusion leave-in treatment. So any leave-in treatment is fine. I really like this one because of the smell of it, but it just protects your hair from the heat and helps you brush it out and all that good stuff. So underneath of my hair is pretty wavy and curly already. I wish all my hair was like that, but it's not. So it kind of makes it pretty easy to curl my hair for the most part, especially if I'm in a hurry. It helps, so I don't really have to touch the underneath very much. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I curl it now. But I use a 1 1/4 inch barrel curling iron, and this is just a regular clip curling iron. If you guys wanna know, this is by Revlon, it's the rose gold. I personally like to do my hair I kind of just picture it as I'm going, I guess. So I don't usually clip it up. Sometimes I will. If you really need to get the underneath and your hair is really thick, then I would probably go ahead and clip it up and curl the underneath. But like I said, mine's pretty wavy already. So I'm just gonna start with a little front piece here, about an inch piece. So I start with my bangs first, and then I work my way back. So I actually do clip it into the clip here. So, and I'm gonna hold it out flat like that, and then I'm gonna go against the hair growth, if that makes sense. But then I keep it up here at the top. So this is gonna give me volume, and then it's also gonna make it so the curl stays up higher towards the crown of the head. And then I leave an inch out, and then I keep it horizontal like this, because if you just hold it down, it's gonna flatten your hair. So if you want a little bit more volume, if you hold it at the top there, it'll help with that. And normally I pull the end straight out, and that one I didn't quite get it, so I'm just going back at the tip and kind of straightening that out. Kind of slipped in my hair a little bit. So this is kind of backwards, but I do the top half of my hair first. So I'm taking another piece from the top of my head, and I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna instead of having it down, I'm gonna pull it up and kind of comb it back. And then I have that part, and then I'm gonna take my barrel, so the clip is forward, take my barrel, and kind of keep it right here, and that's gonna give you the volume. And keep doing that, slowly wrapping it around. So then I just go till there's about an inch or so hanging out, and then I just kind of count to 10 back and forth. And then if you're worried it's getting too hot, you can kind of feel it, but it doesn't feel too hot yet. So the longest I usually leave it on my hair is 20 seconds. Then I pull straight out. This little piece here, so I got a couple little pieces here. So the one that's closest to my face, the pieces closest to my face, I like to have going away from my face. And then that next strand, we are gonna take it and go the opposite direction of what we've been going. So a lot of times I'll do my ones going away from my face first, and then I'll go back through and make some go the other way just to add texture to it. So then I got that one piece right next to the one I just did. I'm gonna grab about the same size of strand. And so this one I'm gonna comb it out too, so it's flat, but I'm gonna take the clip away from us and then start curling that forward and do the same thing, just kind of take it slow, starting at the roots and curling it down. And then this one here too. I already did one going away from my face, so this one I'm gonna go do it forward towards my face. And sometimes too, if I feel like that one needs to go the other way, I'll do it the other way. It just kind of depends on how it falls for me. And then I don't unravel them or anything. I don't touch them until they're all cool, and that's gonna help keep the curls a little curlier or wavier. So that side's all done from what I can see. Then I just kind of piece back through it and just see if there's anything else that needs to be done, but it's all has a curl in it. So I do that to like the back of my head, and then I go and do the next half. So I'm gonna flip all this forward. Then I'm gonna take a small piece on this side of my head because I have like a little bit of a side part. So I keep this side a little bit smaller and this side a little bit looser where my bangs are. So same thing, I'm gonna roll that away from, and this one's kind of harder to keep in the thing, so I kind of do this one a little faster because it's a thinner hair, so I don't want to burn it, and it's like harder to hold on to. I kind of just like let it ravel like I just did. So starting with the underneath of this section, I'm gonna take a small section here that was between those curls. And this one I'm gonna go towards my face. So I just curled like the ones, like my natural wavy ones that are like right on top. I curled those just a little bit and left the rest natural. So like if I lift up my hair, you can see under there, it's pretty much just my natural waves. So, and you can't tell when the little curls are on top of it. So it just all kind of goes together. So at this point I could just leave it and kind of toss it up and like kind of single out some of these curls a little bit. But if you kind of take them and turn them like that, that'll help keep the curl. And then I could just go ahead and spray it like this and let the curls be more intact. Or you can take your fingers through it and kind of mess up some of those curls. I feel like since I've been using better shampoo and conditioner, my hair is not as heavy and it doesn't get weighed down as much. So I feel like I have quite a bit of natural volume already. Like, this is not teased. I don't have any product in my hair other than the leave-in treatment, so it's just blow dried.